So hello Java developers. So let's solve another question problem of string basics programs. We are solving these 500 programs from beginner to advanced level. So we are at beginner level now and solving these string basics. We already solved our two question problems. Now move to next one. Palindrome string. How to check your string is a palindrome or not. So we will use previous method to check. First, we reverse the string and then check string is palindrome or not to compare original or reversed string. So let's see. If you already watched my previous video of reverse string, you can easily solve this. Now we are in VS Code and let's create file inside this for palindrome. Palindrome string.java and create a class inside this. First, write your program palindrome string, just like that only, and create public class palindrome string. This name is as same as your file name, and now write your main method public static void main, and create a scanner class object also scanner s equal to new scanner system.in, and then use semicolon and it will automatically import this scanner class. If it is not importing automatically, so you should try to import this because this is required, otherwise it will show us an error to import scanner class. So it is must, and then take a string as an input. So first we print enter a string and remove this as and do not to shift on to next line for taking a input. Then use string type string because of we are taking input as a string. So str is our string name variable. Then sc dot next line, use semicolon after that. So now what we need to now we need to reverse. So reverse is also a string type string reverse. We can use two method to reverse. First, a simple for loop method, and we can also use string builder method. So first use for loop. Okay, so this is a empty variable to store string. Okay, so we are just taking empty string right here. So use for loop for int I equal to string dot length minus 1 and I is greater than equal to 0 is once and I minus minus, and go inside this for loop and store this reverse plus equal to str dot character at index I, and then use semicolon to store all the reversed string into this reverse. Then we can print right here reverse string, but we do not want to reverse string, we just want to check string is palindrome or not. So we directly check if string dot equals to this reverse, so it will print system dot out dot println palindrome string, and otherwise it will print through this else statement system dot out dot println not a palindrome string. Okay, like this. This is our program to check string is palindrome or not. And now run this program. Let's maximize this terminal size. Enter a string. So first we write here our original string Java language. So this is not a palindrome string because of in palindrome from middle word right side and left side both will be same. So we take same string from left side and right side. Na ma na. So this is a palindrome string. When we click enter, it will show us palindrome string. So this is our palindrome string. So this is a one way to check string is palindrome or not. We can also use different method to reverse string right here. So remove this stuff and this one also. Reverse equal to new string buffer and string builder. Both you can use str dot reverse method to reverse string dot to string and semicolon. So it will reverse the string. This method, this statement will reverse the string. Now we can run our program. Right? Just Java. No, not Java. Java is not a palindrome. So write a palindrome. Mm, so J H A H A anything right here. That is palindrome or not. So this is our palindrome. Okay. And if you take different value like Java, so this is not a palindrome, so not a palindrome string. So this program is also working perfectly to check a string is palindrome or not. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if this video is helpful for you. We will meet in our upcoming video of Java string program series. Okay.